Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M35 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that's the case for you, meaning content being open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is press power button and volume down at the same time. You have this border flash and then pop up with which allows you to tag, share and edit the photo, and there was a little T above that little window that allows you to detect text on a screenshot. So there is just one text in here, which was settings and I guess the time, so 77% along with the time, actual time, which you could select from a screenshot. But don't worry, you can also find the screenshot in your gallery application. And in here, I just go back to the main pictures, there we go. So in pictures you can find it as the newest one, but later on it will be easier to find it under albums and screenshots. So the device will create a screenshot album. If you don't see it somewhere in here, as Samsung does tend to sometimes hide some of the albums, you could click right here on View All and this will show you all the albums that are on your device. Select the album and then you can select your screenshot, and again you have the option to detect text in here as well. If I can actually remember how to get it. Not like that, although this would probably work as well. Yep, there we go. So you can see we have the text now. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.